What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be making a delicious non-vegetarian recipe with chicken and spinach. I will be using chicken thighs instead of chicken breast. Chicken thighs are a little high in fat content as compared to the chicken breast, but hey, I think they taste so much better. I feel chicken breasts are a little too dry for me at times, so I tend to stay away from them. But if you have no issues with it, please feel free to use it. I will be giving the calorie and the macronutrient breakdown of both of them, whether you use chicken breast or chicken thigh, at the end of this video, so make sure you watch it till the end. With that being said, let's jump into the Palak Chicken Curry recipe.
Alright guys, usually what I like doing in the beginning with chicken thighs is to try to chop off a little bit of the fat wherever I can and then cut it into small pieces and keep aside. We will then puree 250 grams of spinach with little water. Next, heat a pan on medium flame and add 14 grams of oil, half-inch cinnamon, 1 bay leaf, 2 cardamom, 2 cloves, and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. After roasting them for a bit, add 2 onions chopped, 2 to 3 green chilies, and saute them till the onions turn translucent. We will then add half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook until the raw smell goes away. Time to then add 1 tomato chopped and salt to taste. Once it becomes all mushy, we will add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Let's go ahead and add the chicken pieces now, guys. Mix well and cook it for about 15 minutes on medium flame. After that, pour the spinach puree and cook for another 15 minutes or until it's done. And finally, add 5 ml of fresh cream or heavy cream and add a little bit of salt if needed and give it a few more stirs, and there you go, guys. Palak chicken curry is now ready.
Now for the macronutrient breakdown. If you're using chicken thighs to make this recipe, then the entire recipe is 833 calories, of which 46 grams are carbs, 35 grams are fat, and 90 grams are protein. If you're using 400 grams of boneless, skinless chicken breast, then the entire recipe is about 766 calories, of which 46 grams are carbs, 28 grams are fat, and 95 grams are protein. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you in the next video.